Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows no gelatin, no agar-agar updated. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping equipment: a candy thermometer, an 8x8 pan, parchment, and a whisk. Measure aquafaba, sugar, corn syrup, vanilla, and a small amount of cornstarch for dusting. Heat sugar syrup to softball stage, then whip aquafaba to glossy peaks before folding in hot syrup, flavoring, and setting in the pan. Gather the ingredients and set them within reach on your counter to keep the process smooth. Measure aquafaba precisely and chill it briefly for better whipping. Have your candy thermometer clipped to the saucepan and prepare an 8x8 pan lined with parchment and lightly dusted with cornstarch. This setup prevents sticking and speeds up the transition from syrup to meringue without missing the critical temperature window. Begin by heating sugar, corn syrup, and a little water to 240 degrees F on medium heat while whisking intermittently. Whip chilled aquafaba until it reaches glossy stiff peaks, then very slowly stream the hot syrup into the aquafaba while continuing to whip on high. Add vanilla and beat until thick and stable, then scrape into the prepared pan. Let the marshmallow slab set for 2 to 3 hours before cutting and dusting each piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.